What's up, guys? How's it going? As you may know already, Bluetti is releasing their latest PowerStation called the EB70. It's becoming a popular unit while attracting a lot of attention for the camping world. Features that stand out is that it's a lithium iron phosphate battery, which offers fantastic battery life. Although I don't understand why they have some units from Bluetti rated for over 3,500 cycles, while this one is rated for over 2,500 cycles when they're using the same battery. Does it have to do with the inverter and typical power usage expected? If you know anything about this, please leave a comment. It also has a regulated 12-volt port and can handle up to 200 watts of solar, which I think is a good amount for campers, especially if you have portable solar panels. And sometimes you don't want to hassle setting up more than 200 watts of solar panels. It has 4 ways of charging the unit. You can charge via the wall AC power with adapter, solar, car, or gas generator. I haven't seen anything yet about the cables provided, but I sure hope they include the proper cables for solar or car charging. I was pretty bummed that they weren't included with the AC30 model. I like that it has 4 outlet ports, which gives you the ability to plug in multiple AC powered devices. I'm also very glad to see the display will actually show you input and output watts, unlike the Bluetti AC30. Unfortunately, though, it does look like the display won't show you a precise battery percentage other than the 5 battery bar indicators, which is a little frustrating. I also like that this unit weighs 21.3 pounds, which is pretty manageable for purposes like camping. Not too heavy or too light, but just about right, especially considering what the battery and inverter size offer. It retails for $599 normally, but up front with the initial product release, Bluetti is offering $100 off for $499. That comes out to be about 70 cents per watt hour, which seems to be a good price. I've reached out to them and they are offering me a further discounted rate so I can review it. Anything helps with how expensive the price tags of these power stations are. There's so many of them. Anyways, I'm excited to receive and review this new unit. It offers a nice punch of features in the right range that I think a lot of people can get excited about. Look for links down below in the description. As an affiliate, I may receive a commission if you click them. I also have a list of various products that I recommend that you might want to check out. Please remember to hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and have a good one.